What's up, guys? So I'm actually about to go to Tesla right now because unfortunately one of the things that they fixed with the new car paint defects is actually starting to bubble again and crackle. Let me show you. So right here at the edge of the bumper, you can start to see that the paint is starting to flake a little bit. Not sure exactly what happened when they fixed it, but it's starting to flake a little bit right at the edge. Because I think what they did is they repainted this full front bumper and they just like either messed up, or when they went to reattach the bumper, it like scraped up. The contact points got messed up and it started either lifting the paint or started cracking the paint under it. So if you recall from the last time I was at Tesla, there was a paint defect right here that they fixed. There was another dent next to the T that they fixed, and then another paint issue right here at the bottom that they fixed as well. Pretty small stuff. Still trying to figure out on whether they repainted the front bumper or they repainted the trunk or they repainted the rear bumper. Supposedly I'm going to ask for the original work order when they did the repairs last time to kind of see what the heck they actually did in the repair process. So I'll hopefully try and record a little bit when I'm at Tesla to see what they actually do in the process, because when I contacted them for my follow-up appointment, which is today, for the front bumper issue of the cracking, they initially pushed back on it because it was 30 days after I picked up the car, so they were questioning, kind of wondering, curious why it took me 30 days to kind of notice it. But I just basically said, like, I don't look at my bumper that often, and so I had no idea that the paint was starting to crack and that I was going to get paint protection film installed in ceramic coating, and I noticed right at the edge that the paint started to crack. So obviously I can't get that protection put on until after that's been remedied. So they pushed back a little bit on coming in for an appointment and actually getting approved, but he finally said that after he spoke to his manager that just bring the bumper in and we need to take a look at it to see what the color is so that we can order another replacement bumper. So they pushed back a little bit, but I've got it approved. I'm headed there now so I can show them the bumper so that they can order the bumper for me. They said it takes 5 days. The initial guy said it would take 5 days for the bumper to come in stock, but also at the same time, we've heard probably about Tesla parts, and who knows how long it's going to take for the parts to actually get in stock. So, and then I'll probably come back for them to repair it. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long, maybe a couple hours. Hopefully the issue will be squared away and there won't be any paint defects. So we'll see. I've actually made 2 videos so far on the paint issues on this car. The first video is when I inspected the car after new car delivery and we initially found all these issues. And the second video on I took the car into Tesla service for the first time, on what the whole process was, how long it took, did I get a loaner or not, did I get Uber credits, and the ending conclusion of that. But unfortunately now there's another issue. So in this video, we're gonna document this whole process on the small defect in the front bumper that it's cracking, because I think that's a paint warranty issue and a defect, so it should be covered and completely fixed by Tesla. If you're interested in watching the inspection video or the first paint defect video, click above or a link in the description. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Dennis. I just got this Tesla about 3 months ago, and I make videos about my experience, including a autopilot traffic video that I post on a weekly basis. Hit that like if you've had some paint issues and they were rectified by Tesla, or if you had a clean Tesla with no issues at all. All right, I'll see you there. So I just got back home, and the visit was kind of interesting, actually. When I got there, I pulled into the service lane, and they asked me to pull out of the service lane into the sun so that the service advisor could come out that he could take these paint cards, and he had like 3 or 4 of them. I tried to capture as much as I could on my phone to see what he was trying to do. But he took these paint cards and kind of lined them against my hood to see which of the shades of reds that he had matched my hood, so that when they ordered my new bumper, it would be the same color as the rest of my car. So it's kind of interesting because the first time I'm pretty sure they painted the bumper, but I have no proof of it. And I asked for the work order, the body shop work order, which they said that they're gonna send to me, but they haven't yet. So I'm pretty sure they painted it the first time, and body shops can typically paint match okay. I mean, any professional body shop can, but this is interesting because Tesla is going to basically just order me a brand new Model 3 bumper. Hopefully when the Model 3 bumper comes in, the color is correct. I mean, just by going off a paint card. I took a picture of the paint code, the exact shade that they chose, or that we chose, because he was asking me like, what color do you think is the right red? And I was just like, I guess this one. He was like, yeah, I think that one too. So we'll see how long it takes. I did ask how long the bumper would take to come in, and because initially I was told 5 days, give or take, for the parts bumper, but the guy that I spoke to at Tesla, at the Tesla service department, kind of rolled his eyes like, yeah, no way. Right when I left, about an hour after I left, I got a text message on my phone saying that my appointment was pushed to November 1st. I'm at home now, but yesterday was October 22nd. So that's about 10 days from when I showed them the bumper to when my next appointment is supposed to be so that they can install it. The one guy did say that they will be sending a Tesla mobile service technician to replace the bumper, but with this new appointment, I don't think that's actually going to be the case. I'm probably going to have to go back to the Tesla service center to get the bumper fixed. Hopefully it's not too long of a job. But yeah, I guess I'll check back in a little bit once the bumper comes in and we head off to the service center. Alright guys, I just want to give you guys an update, but I dropped off the car on October 22nd for them to take a look at the bumper color so they could order the right bumper. And they said at the time, the service advisor told me that it might be a week or two, and now my next appointment is on December 2nd to actually drop off the car and see what they actually do, whether they're going to actually replace the bumper like they say they are, or they're going to send it to the body shop. Because if you look at some of these texts, which I'll show on the screen, I can't necessarily understand what they're going to do on the next service appointment, but hopefully they'll be able to fix it, take care of the issue, the paint defects, so I can finally move on and get paint protection film and ceramic coating like I want to do with the car. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video, and comment below if you've had similar paint experiences. I'm probably going to end this video here and I'm going to make another video when I actually drop off the car to see what they finally do to the vehicle and how they're going to fix it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!